Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the realistic approach of becoming a swing trader in 12 months. Everybody wants to become a swing trader, but nobody wants to put in the work. So we're going to be talking about the best outline, the best strategies. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, how to find undervalued stocks, our strategies, our approach, our mindset, check out our school. It's fantastic. We offer private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. So check it out down below, and you guys can use code TRADER to get 51% off. So if you want to learn to trade, use code TRADER, 51% off, one of the largest sales we've done. So check it out down below. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this. Everybody wants to become a trader nowadays because of the freedom that trading offers. When in reality, most people think that if you're a trader, you're sitting on a beach in Costa Rica, relaxing. No. Most successful swing traders and traders that I personally know probably work more than the average 9-to-5 job. The reason why is because trading is just like any other career, any other job like an engineer, doctor, lawyer. It takes years of practice and hard work, and once you have a strategy, you need to continue to practice and work on it, or unfortunately, the market will change and you'll start losing money. So what is the best outline and the best approach to becoming a trader? Well, the first 1 month to 4 month, what you guys need to focus on is learning. Learn as much as you can. Figure out what type of trader you want to become, because there's so many different options out there. You can day trade, you can swing trade, you can just long-term invest, or you could even find Forex or crypto. For me, I swing trade stocks. That's what I have a passion about. That's what I understand. And that's what I focus on, swing trading stocks. Now, after you guys figure out what type of trader you want to become, you need to learn. You need to learn as much as you can. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn. And it's 100% true. You need to take courses, read books, watch YouTube videos. If you're trying to jumpstart your trading career, whatever it is, you need to invest into yourself, because what you're focusing on is you're trying to reduce time. In order to have experience, you got to put in the time. So you have to pay for courses, you have to pay for books. It's going to be very, very, very difficult to cut down on your experience without paying for materials. Now, the first 1 month to 4 months, you're really just focusing on learning and figuring out what type of trader you are. After that, from 5 months to 10 months, you're going to be paper trading. You're going to be paper trading with an account called Moomoo. Moomoo is actually the trading broker that I use. And this is the chart right here. We'll talk more about it later, because I want to show you guys a strategy at the end of the video that I use. But more importantly, during this time, the first 5 month to 10 month, you're paper trading. So you're practicing your entries, your exits, your risk management skills. You're figuring out what type of trader you are. During this time as well, you're journaling all of your trades. You're journaling, figuring out what's working, what's not working, and focusing on what's working so you can implement that in your strategy. Now, going forward from 10 month to 12 month, what you're doing is you're starting small. You're starting with a small account, whether it's $100, $200, and you're trying to grow it. You're not focusing on profits, you're focusing on consistency. And that's what you really, really need to focus on, because the second that you guys are profitable and have a profitable strategy, maybe you're only making $1 a day. The only thing that's separating you from making more money is not your strategy, because you have a profitable strategy. It's just your account size. So you need to continue to grind and focus on those base hits, those small returns that compound over time. But trading is not a get rich quick scheme. If you guys came to this video expecting to become a full-time successful trader in 12 months, it's going to be very, 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 very difficult to do so. You got to treat it like any other job, a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer. It takes years of practice, of hard work and dedication in order to become a very, very successful person in that field. So as a trader, you got to have that same mentality. So what's the best strategy that I would recommend for beginners and all types of traders? Let me show you one that I absolutely love. So let's turn to the computer and look at our Moomoo account. All right, so this is a stock here that we recently traded. This is PWP. Now, for me, in my approach here, I love moving average lines. So moving average lines are these lines right here. We have the yellow, We also have the blue. We also have the red. These act as support and resistance lines. So looking back, look at each and every time it hit this blue line. It hit it once, we had buying pressure. Hit it twice, buying pressure. 3 times, buying pressure. 4 times, buying pressure. And then recently it sold off down to this level of, like the 23 area. Now, my thought process was this: entering on that 90-day moving average line, keeping our stop loss relatively below about $22 for a possible push up to 27. So what we're doing here, let's go ahead and plan it out. We're entering here, keeping our target up here with a risk. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. A risk a little bit below here. That's a 3 to 5 risk and reward. So we're risking about $1 to make $3.56, which is actually really good. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, Carter, that doesn't sound very good. Well, imagine this. You guys are starting out with a $100 account, and you can take this trade once a week, risking that 3% with a 3.5 risk and reward. If your win-loss is 50-50, guess what, guys? At the end of the year, your end balance from $100 is $600. This is why good risk management is important, is because these small returns that compound over time will really jumpstart your trading and really grow your account. So we also want to look at other things with our charting. We want to look at something called the RSI. The RSI is this down here. It stands for the Relative Strength Index. At the time, it was trading for a 34. The last time it was trading for a 34, it was right in here. And what happened? Great buying pressure on that support line. So let's go through this again. We have a stock on an upward trend, sold off down to the 90-day moving average line. It's undervalued on the RSI. The last thing we want to look at is a lower time frame. A lower time frame will give often it will give another story, right? So we can see this general downward trend here. This is the best breakout approach. So you set an alert above this trend line, and that's exactly what we did. Entering here at about 23.20 and keeping our stop loss below about 22.60. So that's a good risk management there for a possible push up to resistance, which is just these sell levels. You can see each and every time it hits this zone, we just have natural tendencies of getting selling pressure. So that's the trade. Entering on the breakout, stop loss just below the lower wick for a push up to resistance. That's the strategy we look for. We're already up about 3% on this trade, which is absolutely fantastic. And now we're just letting this thing plan out, keeping our stop loss below support of the 2360 mark. So now we're in preparation of that for a possible push going higher. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more, check out our school. Check out Moomoo, which is the trading broker I use. I'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys. Take care, everybody.